These are the 10 best affiliate programs for recurring income. What's up guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nuke Allen and what I do is teach people how to make money online, mainly with affiliate marketing. If you want a free 4-day video series of me teaching you affiliate marketing step by step, you can hit the first link in the description. It's going to be right there. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new and turn on post notifications so you won't miss any future videos like this. Okay, but why is recurring income important? Recurring income is important because it's the closest thing to passive income. If you don't know what passive income is money that works for you. You earn money even while you're sleeping or while you're just doing your daily activities. It's important that you do background research on these affiliate programs that you're trying to promote so you can know which one is best for you. But lucky for you, I did the research for you in this vid so you don't have to go through all that. Number one is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the software that you can use to build sales funnels for just for any business owner, not just for an affiliate marketer, but for like anybody that has a website. They can use ClickFunnels to create funnels. You can earn up to 40% monthly recurring commissions on ClickFunnels affiliate program. And the great thing about this is that ClickFunnels is a great software. It's one of the best funnel building softwares. So when you get somebody to actually go through a plan, it's going to be harder for them to leave because it's such a great software that the pain of leaving them will just be too much. So it's harder for people to leave. And they also have some other products that you can promote, such as books and different courses as well. And number two is Getresponse. Getresponse is a software that you can use for email marketing, and they as well have landing pages and sales funnels that you can build up here. Their recurring affiliate program is 33% each month for every sale referred. So this means whenever you get a sale referred, whenever you get somebody to sign up and purchase a plan, you'll get 33% of that each month, and as long as they're a customer for Getresponse. And number three is Improvely. Improvely is a software that you can use to track your conversions on your ads and as well as the click fraud, and they have different types of tools that you can use for affiliate marketing as well. So how their affiliate program works is you get 50% of your referrals first payment. Once you refer somebody, you get 50% of their payment, and then after that you get 10% recurring payment. So it's 10% recurring for the first year for each customer. So for each person you refer and they purchase a plan, if they use Improvely for a year, you get $1,400 per referral. Per person you refer, you get up to $1,400. So say you refer 2 people, that's $2,800 right there. There are so many different products you can promote. As a beginner, you may get overwhelmed at all the different affiliate programs there are. But what you want to do is promote products that are relevant to you and your target audience. The people that you're in front of, the people that will see your content, promote products that will be relevant to them. So let's say you use ClickFunnels. You have a ClickFunnels account and you're using that for your business, and you're starting to notice that's a really good software and that you would definitely want to promote it. What you can do is create content around ClickFunnels. Create content like different tutorials on how to use ClickFunnels. Use ClickFunnels in your other tutorials as well. And that's how you'll be able to maximize your sale. You really want to be focusing on easy sales instead of hard sales where you have to convince somebody to say yes. Say for an example, somebody searches up on YouTube how to use ClickFunnels for your business and they see your YouTube video. They're already looking for that, so they're more likely to invest in the software because that's what they're looking for, and that's what they're looking for to solve their problem. You can make content around ClickFunnels, and then you can use different social medias, not just YouTube. You can use YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever it may be. You can use these different platforms to teach about the product and then promote the product, and in return you get a sale. All right, now that I got that out of the way, let's get back to the list. Number 4 is TubeBuddy. What TubeBuddy is basically just a software that you can use. Like if you have a YouTube channel, it's great for keyword research, ranking, so people can see your videos at the top. When they search up for a topic, they can see your video first. It's great for that, great for descriptions and a whole bunch of other things to boost your YouTube channel. And how their affiliate program works is once you refer somebody, obviously once they purchase a plan from your link, you earn up to 50% recurring commissions. So you earn commissions every month. That's the great thing about recurring. because you don't have to do anything else. As long as they remain a customer, you earn up to 50% recurring commission. So a great way to promote TubeBuddy would be, say if you have a YouTube channel, it doesn't even have to have a whole bunch of subscribers. You have say if you have a decent following on YouTube. So what you can do is promote TubeBuddy by making a video about how to grow on YouTube or how you're growing on YouTube, and then in the description, in the video, you can say if you want to be able to boost your ranking, boost your channel, you can check the link in the description. It's TubeBuddy. What you can do is use that for your channel. That's what I'm using. Even if you're not using it, you don't have to say you're using it, but you can say it's a great tool to use to boost your channel. If this video is helping you so far in any way, make sure to like and subscribe and comment any questions as well. I'll be more than happy to reply. And number 5 on the list is Answerbase. Answerbase is a Q&A platform that business owners can use. A lot of businesses will use Answerbase to host their frequently asked questions for their products or their services. How their affiliate program works is you earn 50% per sale, and then you also earn 15% recurring commission. So on the front end, as soon as they purchase a plan, you earn 50% of that, and then when they keep renewing their subscription, you earn 15% every time they renew it. Number 6 is Longtail Pro. What Longtail Pro is a software that you can use for long keywords. Long keywords that you can use to rank your blog posts and your YouTube posts or your YouTube videos on the Google search. For each referral you get for Longtail Pro, you get a 30% commission on all sales and recurring transactions. If they decide to upgrade, you still get 30% of that. Number 7 is Instanto.io. What this software does is helps you schedule your posts. So if you're an influencer, you can schedule your posts so you don't have to waste as much time having to record and then post again. Then the next day you got to record, then post this. What you do is schedule this like days at a time, sometimes even weeks at a time. So it saves a lot of time for people that make content on social media. You earn 25% commissions for every new customer you refer, and they also have bonus programs for other affiliates if you're interested in that as well. Number 8 is Teachable. What Teachable is a platform that hosts courses, that hosts different training courses in every niche. So what people do is post their courses on here, like teaching people how to do something, and then you can pay for the course and to learn. So this is really great for teachers or just people that in general have a skill that they want to teach. For their affiliate program, you can earn up to 50% commissions for each referral. Number 9 on the list is Builderall. What Builderall is a software that's all in one. It literally has so many different tools. It has an app builder, a website builder, web hosting, e-commerce, a whole bunch of different tools, email autoresponder, a whole bunch of different tools that any business owner can use, not just for affiliate marketers. For their affiliate program, you get 100% commission on the first sale, but then at the next for the following months, as long as your referral is still using Builderall and still pays, you earn 30% for the following months. So it's 30% recurring each month after the first 100%. And they also have what are called 2-tier affiliate programs. So what that means is you can, if you're an affiliate for Builderall, you can recruit someone else to become an affiliate for Builderall as well. And then you can earn their 30% of their fees. Number 10 on the list is Aweber. What Aweber is basically another software. It's kind of just like Getresponse. It's great for email marketing, and they're starting to implement more things such as being able to build landing pages and different tools such as that. For their customer referral program, what you do is you refer somebody, and when they purchase a plan, you get 30% recurring payments each month as long as that customer stays a customer. Guys, there are so many opportunities to make money online with affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. Affiliate marketing is so great because it's one of the most beginner-friendly side hustles and online business models. You don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to create any products. You don't have to ship anything. You're just sending traffic to your affiliate offer. And the best way to do that is to put out valuable content around your affiliate offer. And I actually teach how to do this in my free 4-day video series. So if you want to enroll in that, it's in the first link in the description. Go and get it there, and I'll teach you step by step. If you guys found this video helpful in any way, if you learned something new, make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications so you won't miss videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below, because I also try to make videos based on your questions. So if you have a video idea that you want me to do, make sure to comment it, and I'd be more than happy to make a video about it, explain it, and help you out. And before you leave this video, I just want you to know, whatever you're going through, always remember Jesus loves you. Trust in him. You're never too far away from him. He's always welcoming you with open arms. God bless.